will be talking about a topic that is very much interesting for you all, and we will be discussing each and every part of this topic, and many of your questions that you have ever thought regarding the development of a baby or development of more than one babies, that will be cleared. So today I am going to start with you the topic that is the twins. Usually human beings give birth to a single child, but occasionally it happens that there is the presence of more than one child or two babies or two childs in the developing period. So that is called as twins. Twins can be of different types. Now let us firstly see that what all things are required by the development of a baby. That is very much clear that from the female side the egg or ova is required, and when it gets mixed with from the male side the sperm, both of them mixes together and it forms zygote. This zygote further divides and forms the embryo. This embryo is going to give rise to a child or a baby. Now, the thing that you have to remember here is that if one egg is going to fuse with one sperm, there will be the development of one child. But if in case there is some kind of changes, means normally this is going to happen, but if in any abnormal condition or any occasional condition that the things are not just quite similar, there can be a changes, then there is going to be difference in the number of babies. Now let us see what all different types of twins can be there. Twins can be of two types: identical twins and fraternal twins. Identical twins, if one egg is there and it is going to meet with the sperm, then there will be the formation of the twins. Now let us see that when the zygote is formed, suppose the zygote gets divided into two parts. This is zygote, this was the egg, this is the sperm. In case that there is the division of the zygote after the formation, then two kind of babies will be formed. That can be either both girls or that can be either both boys, means both will have the same constituent, both will be exactly same. So students, you must have seen the case in which two of the babies, means the twins, are exactly same. They have all the features same, they have all the characteristics same, both are either girl, both are either boy. So the same kind of childs will be formed in two number. Why? Because the same zygote has divided into two parts and the same genetic material was there. But in case of fraternal twins, what happened that first of all one egg is there, and this egg firstly divided into two parts. There can be a chance without fertilization it gets divided, and then after that it gets mixed with the sperm. Now what happened, the two babies or the two cells that will be formed, they will be having the difference in the sperm. So let us say one is boy and one is girl. Now let us suppose that this was the sperm that was having the X chromosome and this was the sperm that was having the Y chromosome. So the boy is formed. Now these are the twins. They will be twins. They are quite same because the egg was same. But there will be the difference in the male constituent. So that is why there is difference in the genetic character. There is difference in the gender. So students, up till now it was about the normal conditions of the development of twins. Twins that are developed from a mother that have the same normal life as there is a life of a single baby. But there can be abnormalities of also. While the development, if there is the half separation of these twins, for example, when I told you that in case of identical twins, when the egg is there, it gets divided into two parts. Suppose there is a part that is the eggs are not completely divided, there is some kind of attachment, and here the sperm goes and unites. So such kind of childs, those while developing fail to separate and they are joined together, they are known as the Siamese twins. These twins are not normal, they are abnormal as they are dependent on each other. Now you will say that why the name Siamese? Actually in China, the first case was seen in which the mother has given the birth to two babies. They were Siamese twins, they were joined. That was the first case. And the name of that mother was Siam. So that is why the name has been taken from the same name Siam, and Siamese twins name has been given. The first case that was seen, in that case the child lived up to 63 years.